We're shifting focus back to the breaking input that we got for you, the bomb threat, the emails that were received by 5 prominent schools in the Delhi NCR region. The schools received an email about a bomb threat. The Delhi police, along with fire teams, have followed the standard operating procedure and completed the searches. Senior officials are saying that the information was received regarding a bomb in the school premise, and after which the bomb disposal squad and the fire tenders were rushed to the spot. We're given to understand that the search is currently underway in some schools. The schools have also issued a statement. Parents have been informed to come pick up their kids. There was panic earlier, but now there is some clarity in terms of what is happening. We have Sabyasachi joining us from Sanskriti School and Akanksha getting us inputs from Mother Mary School. Let's first go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, what are we picking up now in terms of, clarity in terms of searches that are underway, and what are the officials and school management saying? Will the school open from tomorrow once the officials confirm that there's no more threat?
Well, see, at this particular time, the Delhi police as well as the bomb disposal squad are still inside the Sanskriti school premises. Now, the school authority, though they have asked the parents to take back their children home, the children have been sent home. Now, the Delhi police is still carrying out the searches inside the school premises. The bomb disposal squad is also there, as well as the fire brigade team. Now, the school authority, though they have not cleared out yet whether the school will run tomorrow or it will remain shut, because if you see, around 5 to 6 schools have been targeted. These are the schools which have received the threat email. These threat emails have been received across various times. Some of the schools have received the email right around 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Some of them have received at around 8 a.m. in the morning, and that is the reason why there has been panic across the parents out here. The parents immediately reached the school's location and took back their children. Meanwhile, the Delhi police, after carrying out the searches, will start their investigation regarding this entire matter to find out that who are the people behind it, because several schools across the Delhi NCR region have received this threat email.
Well, absolutely. The investigation will continue. Meanwhile, the process is being followed. Parents are being informed to come pick up their kids, and they're also awaiting clarity. Before I come to you, Akanksha, let's get more inputs. DPS Noida has also received a threat, and a statement has been released by the school's principal, which informs that there was an email threatening the safety and security of the students, and as a precautionary measure, the school decided to send the students back home immediately. Private commuters were asked to collect their kids from the school premise as soon as possible from the respective gates. So that's the statement that was issued by DPS Noida to the parents, and the parents were informed to pick up their kids from school. We spoke to some of the parents as well who are awaiting clarity. Let's go across to Aditi for more inputs on that. Yes, Aditi.
Right, Swati, as I have the DPS Noida and Mother Mary School, which both the schools have issued a notice to the students that they need to, the parents need to come to the school and pick up their ward. We have the reaction coming in from DPS Noida, Mother Mary. Both the schools have received a bomb threat. A threat email was sent to the schools at 4:30 a.m. and after that, the threat was issued. The schools advised the parents to come. The schools have been evacuated, and now we have the DPS Noida statement. The principal's office says this is to inform you that the school has received an email that threatens the safety and security of the students. As a precautionary measure, we are sending the students back home immediately. Private commuters, please arrange to collect your child from the school premises as soon as possible from the respective gates. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding. I have the Mother Mary School's response as well. Just give me 1 minute and I'll get back to you.
All right, we'll come back to you for that information from the Mother Mary School. We have Akanksha joining us, in fact, from outside Mother Mary School. What is the latest situation, Akanksha?
Well, multiple schools in the national capital and adjoining areas received the bomb threat, and I'm currently standing outside Mother Mary School. And here right now, the Delhi police team is currently inside. In fact, one of the Delhi police officials just came out and said that nothing suspicious has been found so far. I'm joined by the child who studies in the school. क्या कुछ आपको message आया था? एक बार पढ़ के बता दीजिए.
Dear student, an email was received this morning regarding a bomb threat in school, such as the students are being dispersed immediately as a
प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर। तो आपको कितने बजे ये आया था मैसेज?
ये 8:17 पे आया था।
8:17 पे आया था।
हाँ।
और स्कूल कितने बजे शुरू होता है?
स्कूल 7:30।
ओके, तो मतलब लोग बच्चे अंदर थे, तो यहाँ पे काफी पैनिक का माहौल होगा।
हाँ, बस यूजर थे, स्कूल ग्राउंड में था पैनिक का माहौल।
ओके, तो आगे का क्या रहेगा? क्या स्कूल ने बताया कि आप लोग कल आ सकते हो? कितने दिन की छुट्टी रहेगी?
मेरा कि एक के बाद एक लगातार स्कूलों में इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है, पैनिक का माहौल है।
मैं यही कहूँगा कि जैसे सभी काम रहें, दिल्ली पुलिस सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी को देखते हुए सारे मेजर्स ले रही है। हम वी आर गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरी स्कूल चेक्ड एंड वी आर इन कांस्टेंट टच विद स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कि कोई भी पैनिक नहीं हो, किसी भी बच्चे को या किसी भी तरह के पेरेंट्स को कोई इनकन्वीनियंस ना हो। एंड आवर टीम्स आर वर्किंग ऑन द टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड Delhi Police is committed to the safety and security of children.
Teams are working on the technical aspect. That's what you heard one of the Delhi cops saying, and that they are committed to the safety and security of the students. They are working on tracing the email back to the senders, to the source. Aditi is getting us more inputs. Yes, Aditi.
Well, exactly, and as we were talking about the schools getting, bomb threat, we have Mother Mary School ka message. The message says an email was received this morning regarding. So this is a message from the WhatsApp group. The Mother Mary School has put out a message in the class 12th group where it says, "Dear parents, an email was received this morning regarding a bomb threat in school. As such, the students are being dispersed immediately as a precautionary measure. You are requested to kindly collect your wards from your respective bus stops. On foot, parents are requested to kindly come and collect their wards immediately. The bus route in charges will keep you updated about the movement of the buses from time to time." So the schools are coordinating with the parents so that the students who have come to the school after the bomb threat was issued can safely return back home and the school can be emptied so that if there is some bomb, then that can be located. The Delhi police is also in the spot. 5 schools in the Delhi NCR have received DPS Noida, DPS Dwarka, Sanskriti School, Amity Push Vihar and Mother Mary schools are among these schools. These are all high profile schools, and at 4:30 a bomb threat was issued via email.
Right, Aditi, stay on with us. We're getting some reactions now from the Delhi cops. Yes.
ये बेसिकली जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिली तो सुबह 4:15 बजे के आसपास कई जगह सेम मेल कंटेंट सबको मेल किया गया और इसके बाद हमने इमीडिएटली वी स्वंग इनटू एक्शन और हमने सारे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लेते हुए बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी देखते हुए सब जगह चेकिंग कराई और के साथ डिसीजन लेते हुए कई जगह को स्कूल्स को बच्चों को जो अपने वो घर भी चले गए हैं और सभी स्कूल्स में चेकिंग अभी जारी है और ये जो मेल है इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी दिल्ली पुलिस की जितनी भी टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन विंग्स हैं सारी कर रही हैं और फर्दर अभी इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं।
सर सेम पैटर्न आया है तो क्या लग रहा है आपको कि अभी शुरू इनिशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद
अभी इनिशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन है तो जिसमें यही लग रहा है कि बेसिकली एक ये मास मेल किया गया है और इस पे सोर्स पे अभी हम काम कर रहे हैं।
और ये भी सर देखने में है कि बीसीसी में स्कूल का मेंशन किया यानी कि कई जगहों पे भेजा गया एक ही साथ।
हाँ, अभी जैसे जैसे स्कूल्स को अपनी मेल आईडी चेक कर रहे हैं वैसे वैसे उनको पता चल रहा है कि किस तरह की उनको मेल्स आई हैं और हम सारे स्कूल्स को हम सेंसिटाइज कर रहे हैं। हम वी आर रीचिंग टू ईच एंड एवरी स्कूल फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ children and all the stakeholders.
सर टेक्निकल टीम्स भी लगी हुई है इसमें क्योंकि मेल है तो क्या लग रहा है आपको?
हाँ, अभी जैसे हमने इंफॉर्मेशन सीख की है हमारे जो बेसिकली हमारी टेक्निकल जो डेटा बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हमने सर्वर से इंफॉर्मेशन सीख करी है उस पर हम काम कर रहे हैं।
तो मेल में मेंशन क्या किया गया है कि अगर एक
वो अभी मैटर सेंसिटिव मैटर है, उसके मैटर ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
तो स्कूल बच्चों पेरेंट्स को क्या मैसेज देंगे बच्चों के, क्योंकि काफ़ी पैनिक दिल्ली में रह के एक के बाद एक लगातार स्कूलों में इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है, पैनिक का माहौल है।
मैं यही कहूँगा कि जैसे सभी काम रहें, दिल्ली पुलिस सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी को देखते हुए सारे मेजर्स ले रही है। हम वी आर गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरी स्कूल चेक्ड एंड वी आर इन कांस्टेंट टच विद स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कि कोई भी पैनिक नहीं हो, किसी भी बच्चे को या किसी भी तरह के पेरेंट्स को कोई इनकन्वीनियंस ना हो। एंड आवर टीम्स आर वर्किंग ऑन द टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड Delhi Police is committed to the safety and security of children.
Sabyasachi and Akanksha continue to be with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, of course, the priority first is to give clearance on ground to confirm whether or not something suspicious has been found on the school premise, and then, of course, the main focus will be on tracing the IP address.
Well, absolutely. See, the first priority of the Delhi Police was to evacuate the children as soon as possible, and that is what the school authority did. They asked the parents to immediately take back the children to home. After that, the Delhi Police is still carrying out searches inside the school premises in various locations in the Delhi NCR region. Now, the second most important thing for the Delhi Police team would be to find out the source of this email, because this particular email has been sent across to several schools of the Delhi NCR region to spread out panic. Now, so far in some of the schools, the Delhi Police Authority have said that they have not found any suspicious thing, but in some of the school, the search operation is still being carried out by the Delhi Police, as the bomb disposal squad is still present inside the school. Meanwhile, the major problem for the Delhi Police would be to make sure that the parents as well as children does not panic. As a school authority, though they have not said whether the school would remain closed for further days or not, but the school authority in fact have also asked the teachers to leave the school premises. Meanwhile, it's been more than an hour that the Delhi Police team is still at ground along with the bomb.
Let's take a quick update from Akanksha as well. Akanksha, are the searches still underway at Mother Mary School?
Right now the situation here, let me firstly show you the visuals and try to show you the visuals from inside. Currently the Delhi Police team is underway, anti-bomb squad is there, fire tenders are there, and in fact few of the parents are also here, a few children are here. We are joined by one of the parents. कितने बजे आपको सुबह ये मैसेज आया था?
मैडम मैसेज तो 8 बजे के बाद आया था, मगर हम 8 बजे के बाद गेट बंद हो जाता है बच्चों को छोड़ने के लिए। उससे पहले ही बच्चों को हम 7:30 पौने 8 के करीब हम बच्चों को छोड़ देते हैं यहाँ पे। तो पौने 8 के करीब मैं बेटी को छोड़ने के लिए आया था, तब तक कोई मैसेज नहीं आया था हमारे पास में। जब मैं बेटी को घर लेके चला गया, अपने सोर्सेज से जब पता किया कि यहाँ पे बम की कॉल है, तो मैं बेटी को तुरंत घर पे लेके गया, तब हमारे पास मैसेज उसके बाद ड्रॉप हुआ।
तो किसी तरह की क्लैरिटी दी गई है स्कूल की तरफ से कि क्या कुछ हुआ था कि ये आपको मैसेज आया?
मैसेज में उन्होंने यही बताया कि एक मेल के द्वारा बम की थ्रेड है, तो इसलिए बच्चों की छुट्टी कर रहे हैं हम लोग, अपने अपने बच्चों को लेके जाएं, और जो बच्चे बस से आ रहे थे उनकी बसों को रोक दिया गया वहीं पे, और पेरेंट्स से यही बोला गया कि जिनके बच्चे आ गए हैं वो लेके तुरंत जाएं। तो बच्चों को एकदम से जैसे मैसेज गया तो माँ बाप के अंदर मतलब भगदड़ वाला माहौल हो गया, सभी वहां से दौड़े, सभी बच्चों को टीचर्स ने बाहर निकाला और सब माँ बाप एकदम से लेके गए। पूरा रोड जाम हो गया था क्योंकि सब बहुत ज्यादा डरे हुए थे इस तरीके की कॉल्स के लिए कि हमें कुछ ऐसा अनहोनी ना हो जाए, मगर अभी तक अंदर से पुलिस की तरफ से कोई जवाब आया नहीं है कि मतलब फेक कॉल है या कुछ है। अभी डीसीपी साहब भी आए हैं, सब अधिकारी आ रहे हैं, फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ी भी आई हुई है, तो पता चलेगा थोड़ी देर में, जैसे भी होगा फिर उसी के हिसाब से हम बच्चों को कल भेजें ना भेजें डिसाइड करेंगे।
But Swati, just a while back, a Delhi police official came outside the school and he said that nothing suspicious has been found so far here. But definitely the priority remains. Firstly, the children were evacuated after that search operation was conducted, and now after the search operation, they will try and track down the IP address and try and see from where this email, the bomb threat, actually came from.
All right, Sabyasachi and Akanksha, for the moment, thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. Without a quick break on the broadcast.